On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2022 Shadow Cruiser 327BH. With convenient dual-entry doors, you and your family will enjoy all the space provided in this travel trailer. The rear bunkhouse suite has 4 bunk beds, room for your pets, a closet, and a half bath. You can keep plenty of ingredients and snacks in the large pantry/entry closet. Relax on the sofa and booth dinette slide while the chef keeps everyone fed with full kitchen amenities inside, or everyone can head outdoors and cook at the outside kitchen for even more choices. This lightweight Shadow Cruiser makes it stress-free for you and your family to pack up and hit the road. The main walk-through bathroom has a full shower to freshen up in so you can get back to having fun fast. The master bedroom has a second exterior door and a king-size sliding bed. This Shadow Cruiser will make it easy for you and your family to go out and make memories that will last a lifetime. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.